In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Google Calendar to Upfirst. This connection will enable your receptionist to tell callers about your available times and book appointments directly into your calendar. To start, navigate to the left-hand side and click on Integrations. Once there, find the Google Calendar integration and click Enable. Next, you'll need to go through the sign-in process using your Google account. Be sure to allow access so that everything is set up correctly. After successfully connecting your Google Calendar, head over to Agent, then proceed to Scheduling. Here, we'll add an appointment type to your schedule. Adding an appointment rule is straightforward. Click on Add Appointment and give your appointment a name, such as Consultation. Choose which calendar you'd like to use and set the duration of the appointment to fit your needs. If needed, you can select a buffer time before or after the appointment. Then set your hours and availability. You have the option to block out specific times of the day. For instance, if you have a lunch hour, you can block that time off. Include the details of your event. For example, meet at my office. You can find the directions here. Add instructions for your receptionist for when to offer this appointment. You might say, "Only offer this appointment if the caller is interested in booking a consultation." Review all the details again to ensure nothing is overlooked. Once everything looks good, click Create Appointment Type. With this setup, your receptionist can now access your calendar, check for available time slots, communicate availability to your callers, and book appointments straight into your Google Calendar. You also have the option to connect multiple calendars to support your entire team. And that wraps up the setup for Google Calendar integration, allowing your receptionist to schedule appointments directly in your calendar. Keep in mind that this feature is currently only available for new appointments, with rescheduling options coming soon. We'll see you in the next video.